we talked about too going from here. You can make it almost all the way back to town. We just need about another 18 more zip.
All right, let's go this way.
Stop snowing. Hi, Beep. Lolly. Whew. Murat, thanks to Murat, we're recording all this. Otherwise, I won't be able to. We just. Nice view, man. You're in the middle of the trees. Big snow. I'm good. Don't need it. The camera is open. Oh, our ride is waiting there. Look at that.
That's convenient, huh?
Isn't that amazing? Wow. You guys think of everything, man. Yeah. Every little thing.
We try. It takes a while.
No, it's all perfect. I feel like a movie star. Look at this monster. Can you take a picture of this monster with me? Whew. I do.